Let's describe now the environmental problems associated with the use of alkanes as fuels. All hydrocarbon-based fuels derived from crude oil may produce polluting products when they burn. They include the following: carbon monoxide, CO, which is a poisonous gas produced by incomplete combustion; nitrogen oxides, NO, NO2, and N2O4. Nitrogen oxides are often abbreviated to NOx. These are produced when there is enough energy for nitrogen and oxygen in the air to combine. For example, N2 plus O2 will produce 2NO gas. This happens in a petrol engine at high temperatures present when the sparks ignite the fuel. The problem with these oxides is that they may react with water vapor and oxygen in the air to form nitric acid, and they are therefore contributors to acid rain and photochemical smog. Sulfur dioxide is another contributor to acid rain. It is produced from sulfur-containing impurities present in crude oil. The problem also is that this oxide combines with water vapor and oxygen in the air to form sulfuric acid. We have also carbon particles, which are called particulates, which can exacerbate asthma and cause cancer. We may also have unburnt hydrocarbons, which may also enter the atmosphere, and these are significant greenhouse gases. They contribute to photochemical smog, which can cause a variety of health problems. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is a greenhouse gas. It is always produced when hydrocarbons burn. Although carbon dioxide is necessary in the atmosphere, its levels is rising, and this is a cause of the increase in the Earth's temperature and consequent climate change. So it's true that carbon dioxide is necessary in the atmosphere. However, high levels of carbon dioxide are causing the increase in the Earth's temperature, which is causing the climate change. And finally, we have water vapor, which is also a greenhouse gas.